The leading cause of bankruptcy is medical bills, and despite people having health insurance, when we see crashes like the one last night, MedStar helicopters are often called in to save valuable time transporting the victim to the hospital. Often, though, insurance doesn't pick up the entire cost of that flight. KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey shows us the $60 Christmas present that could pay off huge in an emergency.
Spokane and North Idaho residents love the great outdoors, but sometimes our far-flung adventures can become disasters.
The most helpless feeling I had was when he was face down in the water. I saw him hit the water, and I kept waiting for him to get up, and he didn't get up. He just laid there.
After falling down a cliff, Alice Strobel's son was flown by MedStar to a local hospital last summer. When you're seriously hurt, the clock is ticking against you, and this helicopter delivers the medical expertise that can save your life.
And there's two components. One is getting the care to the patient, which is what the crews and the equipment in the aircraft are able to do, and then getting that patient to the facility that can do the long-term care that's needed.
On board each MedStar flight, there's a nurse to treat your injuries and a respiratory therapist to make sure you keep breathing. But the cost, at least $5,000, isn't always fully covered by medical insurance. That's why MedStar is now selling memberships.
If you purchase a membership with MedStar, it's $59 a year or $150 for 3 years, and that's for your entire family, live in the household. Then if we transport you, we bill your insurance, and whatever your insurance pays is it. So there's no out-of-pocket expenses.
A MedStar service that's free allows you to go online and pre-register the location of your cabin or favorite hunting camp. Dispatchers use longitudes and latitudes to pinpoint prospective landing zones so pilots know exactly where to fly if you need them. Both the memberships or the rural registration program are great ways to let someone know you care about them.
You know, if they're on the roads, if they're traveling, if they're active, if they have cabins, you know, up in the mountains somewhere, what a great gift to get somebody.
MedStar 1.
If you end up not using your membership this year, well, consider yourself lucky, but don't think that your $59 is going to waste. Your money will be reinvested in the MedStar program, so this important life-saving resource is around if you ever need it. Reporting at Phelps Field, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.